Have you ever wondered what could take your Nintendo Switch experience to the next level? We've all had those moments where we think, what if it could do this or that, or better yet, what if it could feel like playing on a PC? Well, buckle up because Nintendo has just dropped some jaw-dropping details about the Switch 2 that could make those what-ifs a reality. We're not talking rumors or leaks anymore. This is official. For months, gamers have speculated about what the new console could bring to the table. From upgraded graphics to improved performance, the anticipation was palpable. But just recently, something truly exciting came to light. Nintendo's official patent filings. Yes, these patents have confirmed some seriously innovative features for the Switch 2, and we're talking about game-changing additions that could completely transform how we interact with the console. Let's dive right in, starting with something that many of us have dreamed about for years: mouse support. You heard that right. Nintendo has officially confirmed that the Switch 2 will support mouse functionality. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly will that work? Well, through a newly redesigned set of Joy-Cons. Nintendo has incorporated optical sensors that allow the controllers to function like a mouse. This means you'll be able to move the Joy-Con around and control an on-screen cursor. Think about it for a second. Games that rely on precision like strategy or simulation games will be a lot more engaging with this level of accuracy. You could even see a built-in web browser on the Switch 2, allowing you to navigate menus and websites as easily as if you were using a desktop mouse. The potential here is huge for both casual players and hardcore enthusiasts who have been hoping for more control over their gameplay. Now, as if that wasn't exciting enough, let's talk about a new controller that's set to change everything. If you've been following Nintendo's patents, you may have caught a glimpse of this mysterious new design. It looks like nothing we've seen before: a two-part detachable controller that can function as individual Joy-Cons or snap together to form one complete unit. What makes this even more intriguing is that the controller also comes equipped with optical sensors, similar to the Joy-Cons. This could be Nintendo's take on a modular Pro controller, where each half detaches and can be used independently or combined to give you the full controller experience. But here's where things get interesting. With the inclusion of these optical sensors, this new controller could double as a mouse. Imagine this scenario. You're playing a first-person shooter and using one side of the controller for movement while the other functions as your aiming device, just like a mouse and keyboard setup in PC gaming. The implications here are exciting. Not only could this controller redefine how we experience shooters, but it could also pave the way for entirely new genres on the Switch 2. RTS, real-time strategy games, for instance, would benefit immensely from a more precise control scheme, bringing them to the Switch in ways we've never seen before. But that's not all. There's yet another exciting reveal in the patent that has us talking: a potential new charging dock and accessories that could complement the Switch 2's controllers. This could be a game-changer for anyone tired of swapping out AA batteries or dealing with awkward charging setups. The new dock could provide a dedicated space for charging the Joy-Cons and the mysterious modular controller, and it might even act as a wireless connectivity hub. In short, if this accessory is included with the Switch 2 or sold separately, it could revolutionize how we charge and connect our controllers. Convenience at its finest. Imagine eliminating the hassle of constantly needing fresh AA batteries and instead having a streamlined, efficient charging solution. This could seriously elevate the overall user experience and reduce downtime for those long gaming sessions. With all these revelations, it's clear that Nintendo is taking the Switch 2 in a bold new direction. They're blending traditional gaming with innovative technology in ways that only they can. The inclusion of mouse support, redesigned Joy-Cons, and a modular controller with potential for mouse-like functionality shows that they're focused on pushing boundaries without sacrificing accessibility. Nintendo's ability to evolve while keeping things approachable for both casual and hardcore gamers alike is what makes them such a standout in the gaming industry. So, what does all this mean for the future of gaming? We're looking at a console that could appeal to a wider range of gamers, from those who love the simplicity of Joy-Cons for couch co-op to those who crave the precision and versatility that a mouse input provides. The potential for new genres and gameplay experiences is limitless. And this is just the beginning. As more details are revealed and the release date draws near, We can only imagine what other surprises Nintendo has up its sleeve for the Switch 2. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.